Hi guys, welcome
Hi.
back to my hand was not in the frame. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new on my channel, then welcome. Thank you. Today's video is a very fun one yet again. You guys have already seen, well, some of you have seen Rosie before.
Hi.
Yes. Some of you know her already very well. We have done several videos together, but some of you who are maybe very new to this channel have not seen her yet. So this is Rosie.
Hello.
For the third time. All of the videos that I've done with Rosie will be listed in the description box down below. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. As I already said, today's video is a fun one because we will be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Some of you probably already know what the 5-minute makeup challenge is. I mean, probably most of you already know what the 5-minute makeup challenge is. But for those of you who don't, the main goal is to get yourself looking as glammed up as possible in 5 minutes. As you can see, Rosie is already looking very good, and she has her lash extensions. That's the word. Oh, lash extensions on, so she will be doing some extra steps to account for not applying falsies because they take quite a bit of time. And yeah, so that's just a way for us to make things a bit more fair. Yep. Are you ready?
Yes. Oi.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck.
Oh, thanks.
I need it more than you do, so you okay.
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck, Helen.
Ready?
Yes. No.
No?
Yes.
Me neither?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay.
1,
Right.
2,
Okay. Go.
3.
Go!
Go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Action.
Okay. Okay, great. Oh my god. I have never... What was that noise? Okay. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get that in my hair.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
I'm doing something I never do, which is like get it on my whole face and my eyes and stuff. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Did I get it in my hair? No, it's okay.
Oh my god, I look like...
Okay. No, yes, no, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay.
I'm sweating so bad.
Me too. I was already sweating when we started. Oh my god, why do I look like...
Okay, 1 minute down.
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Why aren't you blending in? Blend in. Blend. Okay. Where is this? Okay, that's nice. That's very nice. Eyeshadow.
Oh.
Okay. Hello. Oh my god. This is way too dark. I took the wrong shade. Okay, never mind. We're going with this now.
Oh god, I look so pale. Oh god. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I can't see the time. Oh, I can see the time. Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay. No, I don't actually want to see the time. I don't want to see the time.
2 minutes down.
Oh my god. Mascara. I'm getting it everywhere.
Oh god.
Okay. This is bad.
This is really time consuming.
By the way, no one can see your face. Just saying.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Okay. This is horrible. Okay, lashes. Oh my god. Okay, this one. Gluing takes up so much time. I'm just now like actually putting... No, oh my god. Half the time is gone. Okay, this one first. No, this one first.
What the fuck are you dying?
Don't make me laugh. This is... Oh my god.
I'm sweating so
Oh my
bad.
god. Me too. And I have mascara on my whole eye. Okay. Go on. Oh my god. This isn't going on. Why aren't you going on? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. My hand.
Have 2 minutes.
No.
2 minutes.
No. Okay. We'll do this one first. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I haven't set underneath my eyes. Jesus Christ. Where is this?
God,
Where is this? Where is this?
way too
Oh my
dark.
god. Where's my sponge? Where's my sponge? Where's my sponge? Where's my sponge? Oh my god. Where's my sponge?
I don't know.
Where's my sponge?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's on the ground. Okay, thank God. Oh my god. I was freaking out. I was freaking out.
Way too dark. Oh god.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And, oh my god, 1:15 left.
No, 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 no.
Oh my god.
Okay, 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 okay.
Ooh!
Okay.
Damn.
Oh shit. Okay, this one.
Ooh! Jesus.
Oh my god. I can't speak. I can't speak. Can't speak.
Oh my god, 50 seconds.
No, 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 no.
45.
Okay. Lips, 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 lips. Oh my god, I chose the worst shade.
I don't even.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, that's it.
Okay. I have time. I have time. I have time. Okay.
30 seconds.
No. Oh my god. Okay. What am I gonna do? Okay. Lashes, lashes, lashes. Okay. Oh, I can actually perfect everything. Nothing. No. Yes. No. No. Yes.
Oh, 10 seconds.
Oh my god. I look like I have. Oh my god. 5, 3, 2. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, look at my lips.
Do you see mine?
Do you see
Can
my
you see how beautifully I have applied this lipstick?
Oh.
Do you see
Yes.
it? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that's beautiful. Oh, and my lashes as well. Do you
Can
see them?
See this? Like the difference?
My one eyelash is like this,
Yes.
and then the other one is like this.
Yeah. Oh god. Yes, from here.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, and you have mascara.
On my eye, yeah.
Beautiful.
You have some like.
No shit.
I'm very glad about my eyebrows,
do you
which are
see
like
my,
non-existent.
eyeshadow, which is like non-existent.
Thank you for doing this with me. But do you actually see, like, okay, 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
And I know that it doesn't look the best, but it looks a lot better than it did when I first started this video.
I'm just kidding, yeah. I mean, I'm so sorry about your eyebrows.
Me too. Why?
Like, do you see these ends? It's like,
No.
it's just like white hair.
But because they're not there.
Yeah, I know.
Did you even have time to do your eyebrows?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, come on.
So this was the challenge. You didn't even need anything.
I still look like really white.
And you have red lips, which is very
Oh,
impressive.
I thought I have something on my teeth.
If you guys have any more challenges that you would like us to do, then you can leave the suggestions down in the comment section, as always. And we will maybe consider them
Maybe.
if they are good suggestions. So yeah, this is us finishing this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Thank you for watching this nonsense.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming on my channel
Yes.
again.
Of
And it
course.
won't be the last time, of course. I hope you know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, right. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that's it, right? Okay, so bye.
Bye.